Alright guys, Ron here. We're going to finish phase 2 of this thing. Take this view 31 and put this this i5 6400 that came out of the in-wind D-frame mini and pop that in there. Alright, so let's get on it. Alright, so this is going to be a bit of a pain. Gonna have to get that cooler off of there, and this thing is deep, so I have to reach over and get that cooler off of there, get that CPU in there, thermal paste it, and put it all back together. Alright, I'm not gonna make a video of the whole thing because I gotta do this one-handed, so you know, we'll see how we do. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright, so we got the cooler off. We got access to the chip, and we'll take care of that. This is a nice little system. It's got 240 in the blue LED water cooling. It's got blue fan up here. It's got hard drive here. It's got R9 380 over there. Some blue cable extensions there, and some gray ones up there that you can hardly see for the CPU. It's not bad. Good power supply. Not bad. So out comes the beautiful Core Duo $39 chip. Which actually, this thing played WoW and a bunch of games with no problem. And in goes the, where is it? The i5 6400. It's a good chip. I mean, these old Intels are still bringing a lot of money. Alright, so we got that laid in there. Now comes the fun part. A little thermal paste and getting the cooler back on there. Haven't done any wire management here yet, really, but this is a great cheap setup. So I was able to show with a $39 chip you can play almost every game, WoW and everything else. You don't get great benchmark scores, but you can play games with it and it's not bad. $39 chip. Until you get some more money and upgrade, it's not a bad thing, you know. At least you're up and running. Then you can improve by adding and building up later. Alright guys, so we got her in there. Pain in the neck, but we got it. Because getting these pins to move a little bit, it's really tough. Especially one-handed, since I'm still working on an injured shoulder. Alright, so I'm gonna mess with Murphy's Law and put the glass cover back on, tighten it up. Normally you don't do that because then it won't work, but I got a feeling this will be fine. So we'll do some quick tests, check temperatures, make sure everything's up and running good, and that's that. Alright. Alright, so we got her powered up. CPU or memory change. Please enter setup mode, configure your consistent, blah blah blah. We're good. Alright, let's do that. Uh-oh. Purple screen of death. Ooh, not good. Here she comes. Trying to load Windows. That looks weird. got thermal paste everywhere. A mess.
Let's clean that up.
Alright. I still got, on the bottom right, the speaker, I still got an X, a red X. So, I'm going to have to run it, get the audio to pick up.